That was Crimea River by Arthur Hamilton. Stay tuned for this next segment. We're going to play through it again with the tablature, standard notation, and the MIDI guitar neck. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. And I'd love to hear how you're doing on the tune, so leave a comment down below. So next up, I'm going to count us in, and then we're going to play through it, or you can watch with the standard notation and other notations as well. And then we'll go through the step-by-step after that. Okay, now that we've gone through that, let's work on it step by step, little by little. Okay, we're going to begin here with a B7 sus 4. Okay, and I'm basically strumming that up, up, down, up, down, up. Then I'm switching over to the B7. And then we get into the chord melody part. So we have E minor 9 here, 12th position, and then we're going to take finger 4 away and just kind of pluck down the voicing of E minor 7. Then we're going to move to position 5 and play E minor 9 down here, and then we're going to take the 4th finger away to play the next melody note on string 2, fret 5. And then I'm just doing a little plucking on the chord tones, just lightly, sort of in the background. We go into A minor 7, okay, and then we're gonna play. I'm sliding into this 9. You can do anything you like there, but we're gonna fret 12, and then we're gonna play this voicing. I think on the first A section I only play the melody note, but I can play this voicing here on the A minor 7, so it's an A minor 11. Moving forward a little bit, we have the D9, and then the G major 7. Then we're going to play F sharp minor 7 flat 5. This is an inversion of that. Into the B7, and then we're going to play these melody notes. Position 11, and then we go up to position 12. Okay, we're going to take a second finger on and off string 1, And then we have these two voicings on the E7 flat 9. We go down to position 5 for A7. Okay. There's really no 13 in this voicing, but you could include that. And then we're going to play these melody notes. I'm playing these as single notes. And I think I slide in a little bit to that very first one. Okay, and then we're going to play this chord again. And then we're going to change over to the A minor 7. Playing 6th fret. This is another one you might want to slide into, but I don't think I did that. Now we're going to play it's kind of either A minor 11, or you could think D sus, but A minor 11, I think the bass is still on the A there. Okay, so, and then we switch our chord over, and then we can slide into this fret 5, and then resolve on the G6. Okay, so keep in mind, a lot of these chords, the chord symbol is a reflection of the implied harmony, or having to do with the bass included as well. So as we go to repeat, we can play just a 2-5 here, again on the E minor, towards the E minor. Okay, so I'll go over it all again kind of quickly. You could change this up each time and make it your own, or vary it. But for simplicity, I've got it pretty much the same thing. Move to position 5. Okay, and then we go to the A minor 7. I'm also sliding into that fret 12, I think, at times. Okay, we get the A minor 11, the D9, down to G major 7. Good. So at moments where we're thinking in terms of comping for the melody, so there's a little bit of a separation there on some moments, up to the B minor 11 here. Now it's really B minor 7 flat 5. Okay, we're going to play that, and then so this is the E7 flat 9, and then that goes into just another voicing to accommodate the unique notes and the melody. Okay, then we have the A7. So here's a little thing you can do to try to get this illusion of different instruments going at the same time. You're gonna hold this melody note, play the chord under it at a different volume. Okay, and then we have fret 6 again. This is another spot. Kind of the trick here is to play softly when you initiate your down strum, and then lay into that first string a little bit, and then play through the D7. Okay. Again, some of these chord symbols are kind of implied harmony, not necessarily the specific voicing. All right, there we land on the tonic chord, the G6. Okay, so we're setting up the bridge here. So we have C sharp, minor 7 flat 5. I'm not playing the flat 5 though. And then this will be an inversion of the F sharp 7. And then we go to the B minor 6. Okay, and the melody resumes here. We're gonna play this voicing, which is a B minor 6. Play those as single tones, then C sharp minor 7 flat 5, into the F sharp 7 flat 9, Up to the B minor 6 again. And then we're going to play up here, 12th position. Into the C sharp minor 7 flat 5. And then we have F sharp 7 to B minor 6. Get the B minor 6, C sharp minor 7 flat 5. Okay, then we change up the feel a little bit and it goes to major. So hold this and then we're gonna, I think it's slid up to 11. Do a little slide into the F sharp minor. And then the B7, sharp 5, sharp 9. Okay, and then we're back to the A section. Move down to position 5. Okay, A minor 7. Up to position 8. Position 10. D9. And then the G major 7. Little comping. B minor 7. It's really B minor 7 flat 5. E7 flat 9. A7. Okay, and then moving to A minor 7. Okay, then we're gonna play this chord again. Switch over to D9, and then the G6. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out some of the other videos. Let me know how you're doing on this tune.